Hello and welcome to the Action Taker channel. Here is Sebastian, and today we are going to talk about Digistore24. In this video, I will show you what exactly is Digistore24, and the best part, I will show you how to make money with Digistore as an affiliate marketer. So what you see here is my Digistore24 dashboard, as you can see here, and here is Digistore24 home page. Okay, like ClickBank, you can sign up as an affiliate or a vendor. You can create two accounts, and like ClickBank, you can sign up as an affiliate marketer or a vendor. Okay, and to sign up, it is free. You can sign up for free, and once you sign up, you can find out a product in the marketplace to promote. So what is exactly Digistore24? Digistore24 is a network affiliate platform like ClickBank that acts as a middleman between vendors and affiliate marketer. If you are a product or service provider and you are looking for some people to promote your product, Digistore24 is the best place to get started. If you are also an affiliate marketer and you are looking for some product or service to promote and make money, here is also the best place for you to get started. So like ClickBank, Digistore has its own marketplace. On the marketplace, you can find many products to promote. Okay, here is my dashboard, and I have the marketplace here, and I click. Here we are. As you can see here, this is some product you can choose and promote. And like ClickBank, you can browse a product by category. Let's say you are in the make money online space and you are looking for some product in this niche to promote. So we will use this category, internet marketing and e-business category. Here we are, and you can find many product here. You can find many product here to promote. Here is the work at home secret and internet that's it by John. Okay. So this is what the Digistore24 website can offer to you. You can sign up as an affiliate and choose a product in the niche in which you are and promote. And you can also sign up as a vendor and list your product in the marketplace and get some affiliate marketer to promote your product or service for you. So now let me show you how you can make money with Digistore24 affiliate network. To get started, first you need to choose a niche, and after that you will go on the marketplace of Digistore24, and you will browse according to the niche in which you are and find a product that interests you to promote. Let's say you are in the make money online niche, and you are looking for some product in this niche to promote. Here is the product we can find on the category internet marketing and e-business. You are 7 product here, okay, and you can pull among these product a good product that fits your needs and that give value to your customer. Let's take for example work at home secret and internet Z. This product was designed by a well-known entrepreneur, John Custerny, and you can make 90% as a commission. So if your customer buy this product, you will get 90% commission from this product. What you need to do is to just send a request to the seller or the vendor by clicking on the button promote now. You will get immediately your affiliate link ready. The next step, once you have your niche and your product, is now to promote your product and make money. So you have many ways to get traffic on your offer. For example, you can use social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. That you can use this platform, and also you can, if you have money to spend on advertising, you can also set up uh, paid ads on Facebook, Google, or on Bing. Okay, this method will give you a result immediately if you know what you are doing. But if you are a beginner and you don't have a, a knowledge about how to run ads on Facebook or Bing or Google, my advice to you is to create a website or a blog, and what you will do is to write a content such as product reviews or any kind of of content you want by targeting your audience. Okay, and in this way you can very make money with your blog. This is for me the best way to make money as an affiliate marketer. Okay, so thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.